let's see. Before the Court of Appeals, ABC Telco filed a petition for review. However, in its decision, the Court of Appeals affirmed the lower tribunal's finding. So the first level court and the second level court agree si Court of Appeals. It further ruled that both restitution of the premises and payment of rents in arrears must be awarded to XYZ Appliance. The dispositive portion of the decision ni Court of Appeals, the resolution of the Regional Trial Court is affirmed with modification. The petitioner, ABC Telco, is ordered to realign its transmission lines and to restitute, ibalik to the respondent, XYZ Appliance, the premises where these transmission lines are located. So the petitioner is likewise ordered to pay monthly rental of 15,000 pesos to the respondent from the date of the last demand that was made on 2004. So, citing the case of Elaine versus Court of Appeals, the Court of Appeals held, sa ilang decision, ilang ruling, that the 1-year period within which to file a forcible entry case based on stealth should be counted from the time when demand to vacate was made. So, demand yun, pwede nilahang basihan, basta based on stealth ko, So, ABC Telco moved for reconsideration of the decision. Later, it moved that a public survey be conducted to determine the exact location of the underground telephone lines, cables, and manholes. However, the Court of Appeals, denied both motions in its resolution. Nganong karon pa man sad siya file of motion for the survey nga naman sila sa Court of Appeals dito tato sa pagsugod pa jud sa kaso, So, naabot na sila sa part sa Court of Appeals na pildi na sa mga motion denied, nisaka na sila sa Supreme Court, Aggrieved, ABC Telco filed before this court, meaning the Honorable Supreme Court, a petition for review on certiorari, assailing the Court of Appeals decision and resolution. So, unsa man yang argument before sa Supreme Court. So, mo na ni ang nindot nga part, This is the cream, This is the most important part of our study. Kaning ratio, ang reasoning sa parties and sa Honorable Supreme Court sa mga issues raised by the parties. So, I'll see you sa next video kay medyo taas na. Magkita ta ato ning padayunon, ha? So, magyapon, If you are new to my channel, please contribute a link lang, di bitaw kwarta, link kung naa may latest updates 2025 o mahimo kanadyo mga pila ka months old pa lang nga related sa ato ang passion, which is sa yuta, hirihensya, inheritance, estate, succession, land dispute, boundary disputes, land transactions, real estate transactions, real estate laws. Diya lang, ayaw po ko tagay og lain nga topic. Si maghatag mo kanang mga sa lain nga mga topics di man nato na passion, Diri lang ta sa atong hilig. So this is our co-learning channel. The atong advocacy is for all of us to learn how to avoid land disputes. And if we are already part or about to be part sa usa ka land dispute, it is how to choose peaceful ways, peaceful means, and a peaceful ending to that dispute. Okay? So you have my email and contact number. Send the link. gov.ph ra. Ako ganang balik-balikon. Kaya usahin na mo send og link niya. Kanang sa mga website nga private. Di inta ka. Maski na sa ako di man mo magamit nga reference. Kanang sa gov.ph nga website. Naapod tayo ni mga library sa ato ang audio bits o video. Later na lang ako pang gi-compile. Okay? So I'll see you sa next episode. Bye!